You're still angry with me, aren't you?
We spend the entire day hunting, catch nothing, because every time we got anywhere near anything, you sneezed and frightened it away.
Not the last time.
No, that time you fell into a stream. No one could accuse you of being predictable, Merlin.
I think of getting a cold.
That's a bad one. What was that? I think that was a bird. That?
That was definitely a woman screaming.
Why couldn't it have just been a bird? Never just a bird.
What are you doing?
Well, I assume you want to risk our lives and see what's going on.
I just thought I'd say this, Merlin, but you're learning.
Let the woman go.
This woman has been sentenced to death. It does not concern you.
I am Arthur Pendragon, King of Camelot, and your village is in my lands.
Her sorcery has brought sickness and suffering to this village.
Did she receive a fair trial?
Your father would have shown her no mercy.
I'm not my father, now cut her down.
I will not endanger the lives of all who live here.
I said, cut her down.